Hi, this is O'Connor, Startup Launchpad. You got us, Global Sources. This is the second week, and this is where it's happening because we're in the mobile electronics. I'm with Eric from Asindo, right?
Yes.
Asindo Limited.
Yes.
And you've got a product.
My product is a wearable for children to make them, if they play near the swimming pool,
Wow.
so the parents can check what they do and if they fall in the water.
Wow.
So they wear this one.
Okay.
If they fall in the water, what happens?
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
So is this just a water detector?
Yeah, it's water detector.
Right.
It transmits the information that
Right.
the children fall in the water.
Wow.
And also, the same system if the children go far away, the parents also the system detects they are out of the range.
Out of the range?
Yeah.
Wow. Does it have a GPS tracker where it would tell them where they are? So it's very simple?
Very simple and very proximative use. No,
Right, because there are other products around like this, but in some ways, some of these products can get too sophisticated that are you sure that they're going to work?
Yeah.
Right?
So
yes.
it is very simple, and it's for children who play near the swimming pool.
Right.
Swimming pool accident for children is
Yes.
the rate is very important.
Wow.
So in Europe, in France,
Crazy.
Yeah. They make a fence near the swimming pool.
Right.
But always someone leave the door open.
Yes.
So it's more comfortable if the children can wear a thing like that.
Wow.
I try again.
Let's try it again, very important.
I don't know if okay.
Oh, look at that. That's amazing. That is wonderful, wonderful. Have you started marketing this?
No,
Not yet?
it's the first mock-up.
First, right, wonderful, wonderful. Well, I think the thing is this how it's going to be sold, or is it going to be sold like this? Sold as a fan?
This is kind of, yes.
It's going to be sold like that?
Yeah.
And have you found distributors for this?
No, it's just first starting.
Wow, amazing. And you're from France?
Yeah.
Your company is set up from France?
No, I am living in Hong Kong.
You're in Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Love it too, love Hong Kong.
Thank you very much.
And French always welcome in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Huge chamber in Hong Kong, by the way. Amazing, amazing. We've got the Made in Asia conference, French conference every March. So you should come to that. All right, so this is an amazing product. What is your plan? What's the retail price like? What's the range?
39 euro. 39 euro.
39 euro. Wow, that's so affordable. Like, well, compared to what it can do, anything.
Save life.
Anything, exactly, anything's affordable. But for 39, it's a good price point that people cannot say no to. And so when you wear these things, what's the biggest challenge with this type of product? Like, is it the battery running out?
So
what is it?
Yes, battery is important. So
yes.
It's better to have a good battery.
Right.
But the life is 2 months.
Right, 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's a pen-sized battery that goes in here.
Yeah, no, it's closed.
It's closed, but
I can show you.
Everyone knows this size battery. It's actually dangerous, because people have swallowed this. They're dangerous, but that's 2032, yes. Yeah. And so you've got 2 months.
2 months.
That's what you need. You don't have to worry about every week whether it's working or not. I like that. And also proximity. Can you set the distance?
No, we cannot set, but we try to make the distance. It's 30 meters now, but we try to go to 40 meters.
Yeah, because longer than that in a shopping centre, they're going to be out of sight.
Yeah, exactly. But if you're out of sight,
right? Okay, so it can go up to 40 meters.
Exactly.
That's amazing. That's wonderful. And you use it basically, is it a Bluetooth signal that's being used?
Yeah, this Bluetooth
wonderful.
4. It's a Bluetooth 4.
Okay, so just a question about the manufacturer, because you're based in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Your startup is in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Okay, and so you're working
with my engineer, because I have a Chinese engineer in Shenzhen. I have a French engineer for the software.
Wow, see, partnering.
Yeah.
Partnering with the right people, but everyone is different. Everyone brings something to the table, right? So your Chinese engineer.
Yeah, because he knows the factory.
They have the network.
Yeah.
And that's not your competence.
Exactly.
To find the right factory. Exactly. And so your partner can do that.
Yeah.
And because protection of IP is very important. Are you going for funding on things like Indiegogo or Kickstarter?
I don't know for the moment. I will go for the children's fair in January.
Wow. So first of all, you're able to protect the IP because the software development is in France.
Yeah.
And that's separated from the factory in Shenzhen. In some ways, it's more the firmware in what communicates between this and your phone. And so that's separated from what the factory makes. And so that's one way that you can protect the IP. Related to that, one of Eric's employees, the engineer, is knowledgeable of the factory, the network, to choose the right factory to work with.
And the right company.
And the right company. And so these are very important considerations for startups. We just want to add this note to this wonderful interview we did with Eric for this child-safe device. Catch you in the next section. Bye for now. Thank you.